Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shantakaram Bhujagashanam Padmanabham Suresham Vishwadharam Gaganasadusham Meghavarnam Shubhangam Lakshmi Kantam Kamalananam Yogibhirdhyanagamyam Mande Vishnu Bhavabhayaram Sarvalokaikanaatham. Om Vishnu Vishnu Vishnu. You go to 177. Anirdesha Vapu Shriman Ameyatma Mahadriduk. 4 words. Anirdesha Vapu. A means not. A anywhere is. Nirdesh. Nirdesh means to point out. Nirdesh. Desh is the position. Desha Kala Paristhiti. Desha means direction or place. You know, which desh are you in? Where are you? Location. And when you point out a location, it's called nirdesh. When you point it out, this is my nirdesh. This is the direction. When you point out a direction, that's an action. And when you say anirdesha, means there is no direction, no directional given any kind of direction. Anirdesha, without direction. What is without direction? If you exclude all the directions, what happens? So when you are in the South Pole, where is up? When you are in the North Pole, where is up? When you are in the equator, where is up? It's a spherical thing. It's an expansive sky. It's a universe. It has no direction. The universe does not have a direction. Very fascinating part here. In relationship to what? The sun is behind the moon, or sun is earth. It's a relationship of two objects. We get into Einstein's relativity here. However, that's the important point. Anirdesha means there is absolutely no direction. It only means Brahmanda, or the entire totality of the universe. That is the divinity. The divine force that we're talking about here is without any enclosure, without any what do you call it? It's unbounded. There are no boundaries. Anirdesha. It's a very fantastic word. Anirdesha means that. It means it has no boundaries. Vapu. Interesting. Vapu. Vapus we had earlier. The Vapu, the word was there. Vapus means form. Form. Now, Anirdeshas Vapu, Narasingha Vapu Shriman, Keshava Purushottama. We had one, Narasingha Vapu was in 2021, something like that it was. Narasingha Vapu Shriman, Keshava Purushottama. That was the original one that we saw in 21, 22. Now, here it says Anirdesha Vapus. And Vapus means form. Fantastic. One time you say Anirdesha Vapu means there is no boundaries, and Vapus means form. What the heck is that? Is it form? Is it form? Form does have directions. Form does have boundaries. Very confusing, but that's what this is. It's still an interesting interpretation. Whatever you want to interpret with this word, Anirdesha Vapu. And the reason why we say is one time is a form, one time is a formless. We are confused. Agneya, not able to know whether it is form or it is formless, boundless. And divine element, we know it exists. We know that everything is there, strength and everything. We know that the energy is there. Have you seen energy? No. Can you see light? No. Light is only seen because it reflects from the particles. Unless light in a vacuum with no particles, you will not be able to see the light. Sound will not be heard if it does not go through certain medium. Energy is not easy to, only effect of light is seen. Electricity, can you see electricity? No. But you can perceive it by its action. Same thing, this is what it is. So, it's not able to see it. Shriman, Shri we have done, what Shri means, Shri is the samruddhi or the opulence, or Shri means all the, what do you call, treasure. Shri means treasure. And it's used, Shriman, man means a person who owns it, Shriman. Shriman, the person who's owned, with that. Dhan ke saath. Dhan means also with a lot of, what do you call that? Possessions. On both, on the physical level, on the mental level, possessing all the qualities, on the intellectual level, possessing intellectual part, on the spiritual level, possession. Shriman can be in the different levels. Anindeshva Pushrimam. Ameyatma. Ameya means measure. We talked about that before. Not able to measure. Something which is immeasurable is very similar to what we just said, no direction, no measure, no containers. Ameya Atma, immeasurable. And now the last one is a very difficult one. Mahadi Druk. Druk, the word D-H-R-U-K, Druk. That in Sanskrit, it means firm, fixed. In reality, Druk means rebellious. Rebellious is the exact meaning of that word. What it does is it does not accept any authorities. It does not accept any injunctions of others. Person who is independent, Druk. From Druk, we came the word Dhrad. Dhrad means we are firm, fixed. Nishchaya, decision making. Firm. That the word came from Druk. So Mahadi Druk, the biggest amount of Nishchaya means decision making. Fixed, firm, stable, decided. That's the element there. Element of decision. When we submit to the divine forces, the Lord or God, we become as stable as that entity is. Whenever we have instability in our life, Mahadidruk, we submit to that. And we submit, it's not rebellious, it's firmness, it's like conviction, courage of conviction, we say. Druk, Dhrad. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashyate. Om Shanti Shanti.